Where are we going, Brian?
Dropping your butt off.
What's happening?
You are flying to Orlando, Florida. The first time you've been back to Florida since we moved in December.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
I know, right? But it's because I have an audition at Universal Studios Orlando Resort for RIP tour guide for HHN.
Yeah, this is actually your first time vlogging by yourself.
I know! Like officially. Not like just me going to the parks and be like, hey, I'll see you later at home, Brian. I'm going by myself. I'm vlogging by myself. I'm flying by myself. I have a hotel by myself. And a car by myself. It's been a while since I've done things by myself.
I know. So, if you are new here...
Hello, hi, and welcome. Oh my.
Yeah. You got crazy people.
I'm flying from St. Louis.
Yes.
Because Brian's working here.
I am.
If you're new, hello, hi, welcome once again.
Yeah. Sorry, I thought she was doing it all because she's vlogging by herself. Yes, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We are Echo Travel Ventures. We are currently out of Nebraska. And our hopes
super soon is
back in Florida, guys. We are moving back to Florida.
We're moving back for the mouse. Well, maybe it's Universal this time. Who knows?
Yeah. It's the Universal.
So this will be the travel vlog then.
For you, yeah.
For me.
Super excited.
Let's see how I vlog by myself.
So excuse the 1,000-mile-an-hour video.
Or if I talk super fast because
yeah.
I get nervous when I'm by myself. I don't know why.
You're doing it right now.
I am doing it right now. Yikes! Because it's actually hitting me like by myself. This is a long intro.
And when was the last time I took you to the airport?
When I went to Albuquerque to meet my godson.
6 years ago.
Yeah.
Before YouTube.
Well,
you left and you gave me a blizzard.
Here we go. Yikes. Okay, guys. So, just got to the hotel. Sorry I didn't show you anything. I got my car. Went to get something to eat. Haven't eaten yet. And came straight to the hotel. But I am in 1422. And you can use a digital key. So, I'm at DoubleTree by Hilton. And you come in and look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. This is nice. Not bad at all. Nice. And I'm by myself. It feels so weird. Like I don't hear Echo meowing. You have a nice mirror. I am on the 14th floor. Comes with 2 beds. I don't know which one I want yet. Maybe the one by the window. And then you get nice size closet. Wow. It's a good size. Especially if you're staying here with a family or for multiple days. That's really cool. Wow. Big size TV. I wonder if this is the... Yeah, how cute. Oops. I'm pulling out the whole thing. Oh no. Which way does it come out? Oh, okay. That side. Get good sized drawers. Oh yeah. Get 4 of them. Your coffee, nice sized desk, and you have a lot of plugins. And then you have another mirror over here. And then good sized lamps. You get more plugs, and in case you forgot the plug-in, you have that for charging. So that's cool. Then you get this size as well, which is really cool for like other stuff for all your chargers and all that. And then you can put your shoes down there. And then comfy little chair. I like the decor in here. It's green and pretty. Because it's dark, look at how the size of this. Oh my gosh, this window area is huge. But it's dark, and Brian wanted me to get the south side tower so we have a view. Now see, I don't know if we have a view. Might have to check in the day because it's pretty humid right now. But I'm excited. It's a nice sized room, which is really, really cool. I had to get McDonald's, of course. It was super stinking late. Right now it's 11:30. So I have to go to EPCOT tomorrow. Go try out that festival and some things that are in there. I need to turn the AC down. Get comfy with the TV. Eat. And then I will see you guys tomorrow. I look really weird. I'm sorry. See you tomorrow. Okay, so as you can see, there's sunlight. So it's the next morning. So day 1 of our 2-day trip here. And today is a EPCOT day. But here's our view. I think the view probably is on the other side. Oh, we have a pool view. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but there's a, oh man, but there's a pool over here. I wonder if I can push this back, then you guys can see. Oh yeah, this might be better. There's a pool over here, so you get a small view. I think I'm on the other side of the nice views, but it's not too bad. I'm on the 14th floor, and I parked way over there, so we're looking on the other side and go way over there, and I'll have to show you guys. But it's not bad, except okay. I think I was excited because we're an hour ahead here. Okay, so the side where I came out was the south side. This is the north side where I'm walking, and it's DoubleTree by Hilton. So they have a little area to hang out with, which is really cool. I like the decorations there. They have a grill, American Grill, and then same thing like this. They have a sign for the South Tower, so it tells you where to go. So they have that's the burgers, the fitness room is over there, game room, laundry, all that great stuff, the bar, and the pool. And then they have ice cream over here, which is cool. So when I go out these doors that are here at the front, I'm gonna have to walk very, very far. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, here's the main entrance. And I parked way over here because you need a key card when you come in for parking. So I didn't have one last night when I came in, so I had to get a card for that. But it's a lot of parking, so it's hard to find parking, especially when I got here, which is fine. So we're walking basically like if we were inside, it's like going to the North Tower. And then I'm assuming this is the conference area starting here, because there wasn't any lights on or anything when I came by. And so you just gotta scan on one of those things right over there, and you're good. And of course it says make sure you get everything out of your car so nothing gets stolen, because I'm assuming they're not responsible, which is normal. Oh, but you can see a lot of things from here. I'm super, super close to Universal, so that's good for tomorrow. But, oh yeah, it's a good day so far, but lots of humidity. So welcome back, right? Okay. I parked over here, So it's a little bit of a walking. And I already know that you have to do a lot in the parks. And that, you know, just drink lots of water. I have my water. I got one in the hotel room. I found a vending machine. Oh yeah, so this is probably the conference center where I parked. Or convention center, I should say. And right across the way, there's a lot of parking on this side. So, this is good. Yay! And there's my little rental that I will be driving. Alright, let's drive over to Disney EPCOT. Okay. So, the hotel, let's talk about that. So the hotel was pretty cool. I liked it. It was nice. I'm on the 14th floor. It's still a nice view, even though it wasn't like a really great view. I slept okay. I think it's because I wasn't with Brian. It was just myself. The only thing is you could hear like a lot of door slamming, but the door's not right next to you either. Like the beds are further enough. So if you heard anything, it would be like other people using the bathrooms and stuff like that. You can't hear TVs through the walls, which is really good. The ice machine wasn't too far away, and the elevators were literally right there. So I just got in and out. Parking is a little hassle. You have to have your key card in order to hit it so it processes. Mine didn't work a few times, so I just had to get like little paper that comes out. And then it started working today, but it didn't work at all yesterday. So I only have to do it one more time. I leave my card, and then that's it. But it was a good stay. It wasn't too bad at all. It was really clean. It smells good. There's a lot. I guess this is a part of the Universal Orlando Resort hotels. Would I stay here again? Probably. I like it. It's not bad at all. I think Brian would like it a lot. Beds are comfy, clean. I like the decor. The only thing is the curtains don't fully close. So in the morning, if you don't like sunlight, it shines right in your face because I got the one that was kind of closest to the window. But that's the only thing. So if you're not a morning person, try to like push those together as much as you can, and that should work.